MOBA-NMS. MOBA-NMS is a network management system for the centralized management and configuration of all MOBATIME network devices. It allows the operation, control and supervision of master clocks, time servers and slave clocks. You will be shown the main features and advantages of MOBA-NMS by using a test installation. MOBA-NMS, Java-based PC software for configuration and supervision of MOBATIME network devices. DTS 4801, net master clock that acts as an NTP server and provides additional outputs for conventional impulse clocks, self-setting MOBA line or IRIG-B AFNOR slave clocks. SEN40, slave clock with a SEN40 network movement. Power over Ethernet, PoE. DC series, network digital clock. Power over Ethernet, PoE. NBU 190, slave clocks with the NBU 190 network movement. Echo DC series, network digital clock. MOBA-NMS is installed on a central workstation, for example at the Operation Control Center. Access and user rights can be distinguished for different levels of responsibility. The main window is composed of three different sections: Device View, Configuration View, Additional Tools. Setting up a time system starts with the scanning of the entire network for master and slave clocks. Slave clocks can be operated in a multicast or unicast mode. To scan for slave clocks, only the type of clocks need to be selected. There is no need to know the IP address of the slave clocks. After scanning the slave clocks, usually all of a network are selected. Bound devices are now available in the device view. The scanning for the sensitive master clock is password protected and the IP address needs to be known. Master clock is now available in the device view. The second part of the installation is the organization and configuration setting of the devices. All devices can be grouped on different levels according to your needs. Drag and drop is the standard in place. This feature allows you to organize your time system exactly the same way as installed in your metro system, airport, hospital, etc. The setup phase includes the configuration of the different types of slave clocks. In our example, a DC3 will be configured. MOBA-NMS allows the configuration of all clock parameters remotely through the software. There is no need for an on-site configuration. In the general settings, the IP addresses of up to 4 time sources can be stored and ensure a 4-time redundancy. For digital clocks, even the brightness can be set remotely through MOBA-NMS. Basic configurations like IP addresses of time sources can be set for multiple devices at the same time by a simple multi-device configuration editor. The master clock application includes all configuration parameters as well. For the master clocks, a defined configuration can be transferred to other master clocks in the network. After the setting up of the time system, it shall run under normal operation. But in case of any failure of a device in the network, alarms will be displayed. In our example, an error occurred on the DC3 clock on floor 1. Remotely and through the MOBA-NMS software, the status of the clock can be refreshed and eventually the error can be resolved. In case a remote solution is not possible, then the maintenance team can be advised of the exact position of the clock, for example floor 1, as this information is displayed on the MOBA-NMS. During the operation phase, MOBA-NMS is a handy tool for software updates as well. Updates are loaded once and then rolled out on all devices of a master or slave clock type. An add-on module of MOBA-NMS contains a centralized active and passive supervision of all MOBATIME devices, status and/or alarm information update, network pings, NTP requests, SNMP requests, receive SNMP notifications and live messages. Alarm forwarding by email or SNMP traps and/or notifications, acts as alarm collector, and a web interface for status display. To summarize, MOBA-NMS offers the following features: central device management for all MOBATIME network master clocks, time servers and slave clocks, analog and digital. Designed to handle and/or configure more than 1,000 devices per network at the same time. Compared to a web-based configuration on each single device, MOBA-NMS manages all devices centrally. Device auto-detection for multicast and unicast, IP range scan, communication. Read and change device configuration with a comfortable user interface. Display device status, time, error and alarm information of each device. Create logical groups and move and/or sort devices per drag and drop for easier management and supervision. Java-based, Eclipse RCP and therefore operating system independent, Windows, Linux. Available for download with integrated online self-update feature. These are just a few features that MOBA-NMS offers. Let MOBA-NMS control your MOBATIME network products now.